Around 25 years back, maybe 20 years back, cervical cancer was number one. म्हणजे cancer, uterusaच्या स्टोनाचो कॅन्सर आशिल्लो तो number one आशिल्लो. But now it is breast cancer has overtaken this as number one cancer. 1,500 new patients per year for our population of 15 lakhs approximately. So 100 per lakh of population. When we speak of cancer, if we don't ask, we don't see percentage. Percentage आम्ही उलयना. We say how many per lakh of population. So we are having somewhere around 100 per lakh of population. All over India it is around 90 to 95. So we are little bit higher, not very much high. Kerala is number one, 130 out of 1 lakh, and we are much better than USA actually. One good thing which is happening is the death rates because of cancer has come down. जरी cancer वाढलो मातसो, तरी dying because of cancer is come down. That is very important because that is what is the cause of that is such type of activities where we cause awareness program. So people tend to come early.
We are all aware that World Cancer Day is being celebrated for last 24 years. The idea behind this celebration is to dispel the myths about the cancer, to create a global awareness and preventive measures, as well as early diagnosis and treatment against the cancer. There are 10 million deaths per year in the world, and if you divide this by 365 days, it comes to 27,400 deaths per day. So let us pledge to continue our fight against the cancer in our own way, not only today, but every single day that follows this World Cancer Day.
After being diagnosed with cancer, the kind of services I've got from multiple hospitals is something that I'm telling everybody. I had gone to quite a few stations in the last 1 week, and everywhere I've been saying, if anything happens, Manipal is one to rescue. And Sarkar sir, what I've learned is trust your doctor and keep faith in God. And I think that is what has pulled me through. I'm extremely grateful to Manipal.